configuration issue where your screen shows something different than mine does based on either you may have docked it in a docking station at someone else's facility and it overrode your settings, or if you have, the way we're going to do this, we're going to press the power button on the left and enter button is on the right, just so you can see them. Power button, press it once, press it twice, and now the screen on mine shows a 0. You might need to press it once more and to get there, but there's a check box up here, but the major thing we're looking for is this 0 right there, if you can see that. So we're going to hit enter, and now what it's doing is it's zeroing the unit. It's telling us that the air here is fresh and clean. It should be reading 0.0 parts per million of hydrogen sulfide. So we'll just let that go. It just takes a little while. Okay, that beep and that double pass, that's one for each sensor on the unit that detects H2S. We're going to hit power. Now that power sends us into calibration mode, which is what we want to do. We're going to hit enter now. So now it's saying, hey, I want 25 parts per million hydrogen sulfide. Put our cap on, has to click on there nice and strong, and turn the gas on. Now, one thing is you want to make sure that this is actually clipped together the way like this. You don't want any spaces where the air can flow out, because that'll adjust your calibration. Now, Industrial Scientific does something different than most other manufacturers here. They're showing what they call span reserve here. So essentially is once you're above 25, this is the maximum value that it could go up to, that the software could adjust up to based on how your sensors are performing with this level of gas. So over time, as the sensor ages, this will start going down, and once you're below the amount on your calibration gas, you'll want to reorder it. You got a few more cals, but you should stop then. Okay, we got pass and pass. We're going to turn this off, and now we're going to pop the top on the gas. Now this one's going to push right back on that back of that case, but on that sensor reserve, if that doesn't make it up to 25 where your calibrator times, those are the sensors. So occasionally there are product failures. You'll get cylinders that have an issue.